Another beautiful thing about this is that, I noticed that this is too dark. This is not something that we have to recreate, right? So that was just a little off-kilter here. We can just go back to the original component. There's a cute little shortcut here. If I right-click, I can say go to main component, and it'll take me to the primary component. So just like these variants that we created down here, here I can create a variant. So I'm going to change this property to mode and change the default to light and change this mode to dark and simply change the color from black to white. And now I have a nice mode switch here. So I can grab this, and now there's my new mode that says light. I can change that to dark. And as I go across, I can use this select matching layers. So it selects all of them across the board, which is like a super power, awesome, cool thing that it does, and change them all to dark mode really quickly. So I don't have to do that one at a time. This works across the board. If you accidentally put something here, you can grab all the navs and move them to the right spot, etc. All right, that's essentially the master plan, the master way of doing things. I implore you to utilize these, the grid, establishing components and patterns. Your darkest inner self will go, this is taking too long. I'm just going to do it the old crummy way because it is quote unquote faster. And that is true. Short term it will be faster. It will be more efficient for you to do it just kind of one at a time and make these things work like you would in Illustrator. Long term, your ability to come back and edit these, your ability to work within teams, your ability to do good work but also efficient work, and which you can kind of have a client come and say, hey, I don't like blue, and be able to unilaterally go over here to your main component and say, great, what about purple? And all of them are purple now, which is like crazy awesome. So please, learn the lesson I'm trying to teach you in that this is awesome. If we just look at the prototyping and how now all the prototyping's solved in one location as opposed to having to do it individually one at a time for every screen you have, has to be meaningful to you. So our first project will be working under this infrastructure. This will be my expectation, is that your systems will not appear identical, your style will be distinct, but the systematic approach will be the same. All right, happy clicking. See you later.